come around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
You know, the art of changing the goalpost, certainly you mastered. Certainly you have mastered that. You have certainly mastered the art of changing the goalpost. Tell me something. You're talking about carrying out protests now. Did your party and did your leader forget about carrying out protests when the Hanskhali case happened and gave a verdict that, you know, this looks like a love affair? Or when advisories were being given, suggestions were being given to the victims, to the girls, saying, do not step out alone. Or when, you know, statements were being made like, what can we do when a friend is raping another friend? You had ample opportunities to carry out protests and ensure justice for those women, for the victims.
I've been always there. I've been always there defending the victims. We have never supported any of the accused. One incident which has happened in Durgapur where a girl went out of the hostel late night. And that hostel is actually on the highway, which is actually a very dead-end zone. So this was a.
So was it her fault?
Stating that no, she stated that people should be aware. She had made an
No, a mother would react fiercely and aggressively. A mother would react fiercely and in an aggressive manner, sir. A mother would say that nobody can dare touch my girl, irrespective of where she is and what time she steps out. Please don't hide behind this emotion of being a mother. Don't hide behind that, Karan Verma.
Every mother.
No, 1 second. Let me bring in Karan Verma. Can a mother really say that my girl should not have stepped out at this hour? Abhi aisa ho gaya, usko raat ko nahi jana chahiye tha. Can any mother say that?
To move out in the jungle area?
It's absolutely ridiculous, Swati. And
was that a jungle area? Was that a secluded, abandoned jungle?
That was jungle area.
So you're saying it's fine. So you're saying it's a jungle area. It's a jungle area and the crime happened. You're saying it's a jungle area and the crime happened.
It was.
Mr. Jaiswal, you know what?
No man's zone.
When you give such arguments, you very conveniently blame the responsible. You very conveniently put the responsibility on the victim that you stepped out late in a secluded area, a jungle-like area, and this has happened. Now wait, sir. Now wait. Allow others to speak. Wait, Karan Verma.
Yeah. No, you know, Swati, at the outset, I don't think we need to look beyond the hard numbers to understand what kind of a reckless job, irresponsible, fraudulent job this Mamata government was doing. They were number one in acid attacks against women. That was their commitment to crimes against women. Number one. And they were 35th out of 36 states plus union territories. They were 35th in terms of conviction of crime against women. That is where they were languishing behind. Because of appeasement, they did not. Ye keh rahe, police kya karegi? Police did not even take up the cases, make them reach a stage where conviction could happen.
WhatsApp group.
That is their
data. Calcutta has been termed as the.
You don't have basic facts. Allow him to make his point. Allow him to make his point, and then I can come to you for a rebuttal. Okay, go ahead.
Swati, your team, everyone here can check. 35th out of 36. That was West Bengal's conviction in crime against women. Don't make a fool of yourself here, Mr. Manav. You've done enough. People have rejected you. Now hang your head in shame. Don't further make a fool of yourself. Number one in acid attacks against women. Mamata Banerjee on record saying this is a love affair gone wrong for Hanskhali. This man here is saying, why did they leave at night? This was a secluded jungle area. Kya karna tha? And compare that to UP. Today their leaders are saying, are they bringing in the UP model? UP is number one in the crime conviction against women. 76%. So if the UP model happens here, we'll be glad and happy to usher in that. That is a model. And when you talk about encounters, let me tell you.
Please stop heckling, Mr. Jaiswal.
Can I speak?
No. He cannot have a sweeping remark. Swati, if you allow a sweeping remark like this, that is shameful.
I will give you an opportunity to contest that with data. I will give you an opportunity to contest that with data. Till you gather your data, allow others to speak, sir. Please, आप अकेले नहीं बोल सकते. Karan Verma, finish your point.
You have to ask him.
No, he's consistently speaking in between, Swati. What can I do?
You are lying.
Secondly, no, I'm not lying. You are making a fool of yourself.
Wait for your turn. Patiently, I'll come to you. You can make your point then. Allow him to finish.
Yeah.
Yes.
Secondly, whenever there is an encounter, the whole brigade that has come out here, even though the mother is happy with that, there is always a magisterial inquiry. when we talk about Yogi Adityanath, all the people who died in an encounter, there was a magisterial inquiry, not one was found breaching the guidelines. So the police, if you pick up a firearm tomorrow, fire at the police, steal away a firearm, of course the police is going to fire back within the guidelines. That is mandated by law, and there will be a magisterial inquiry for that. And Swati, I request your team to check these two data facts. Number 1 in acid attacks against women, and 35th in crime conviction against women. That is where West Bengal was under Mamata Banerjee.
Okay.
know where the data is from.
Okay, I just want to take quick comments from everyone else. Mr. Jaiswal, you can gather your data. I'll come to you. I promise I'll come to you and you can contest whatever Karan Verma is saying. Let me go across to Manoj Yadav. Manoj Yadav, यूपी का बहुत बार जिक्र हुआ है. महुआ मोइत्रा कह रही है कि यूपी 2.0 बनाने की कोशिश है. करण वर्मा कह रहे हैं अगर यूपी 2.0 बन रहा है लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की स्थिति में तो गलत क्या है, बुरा क्या है? हाउ डू यू रिस्पॉन्ड?
देखिए, मुझे करण वर्मा की बात सुनकर और जो लोग बीजेपी की बात कर रहे हैं और एक नए लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की व्यवस्था या कंपैरिजन टू यूपी 2.10 की बात कर रहे हैं तो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. 1 नवंबर 2023 BHU IIT में एक छात्रा के साथ बीजेपी के 3 IT सेल के जो वहां के छात्र थे उन्होंने उनके साथ रेप किया, ब्रूटल रेप. 60 दिन तक जिस मॉडल की बात कर रही है FIR तक नहीं हुई. और ये बुलडोजर, इनकाउंटर, लंगड़ा ऑपरेशन सब उत्तर प्रदेश में चलता है, लेकिन ना तो अभिषेक चौहान के खिलाफ, ना कुणाल पांडे के खिलाफ और ना ही सक्षम पटेल के खिलाफ बीजेपी की उत्तर प्रदेश की योगी आदित्यनाथ की सरकार कोई ब्रूटल तरीके से कार्रवाई कर पाई. उल्टे बहुत जल्दी जमानत दे दी. गजब बात है. कौन सा 2.0 है उत्तर प्रदेश में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी का मॉडल? अरे सबसे ज्यादा तो महिलाओं पे अत्याचार उत्तर प्रदेश में ही है. मैं एक बात कहता हूं, रेपिस्ट को कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए. दिल्ली का उदाहरण हम सबके, निर्भया वाला कांड हम सबके जहन में. उस मौत से बुरी मौत दूसरी नहीं हो सकती है. ये बात मैं बड़ी जिम्मेदारी से कर रहा हूं. एक दिन
लेकिन इसमें अब आलोचना देखिए ये है,
सजा जब हुई
मनोज जी, इसमें आलोचना ये है कि इस सख्ती की बात तभी याद आती है, इस सख्ती की बात तब याद आती है जब भाजपा पावर में होती है. इस सख्ती की बात बहुत कन्वीनियंटली ममता बनर्जी की पार्टी भूल जाती है जब वो खुद इतने साल सत्ता में रहे और कई विवादास्पद बयान उन्होंने दिए कि ये लव अफेयर हो सकता है, लड़कियों को इस समय या उस समय घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए.
देखिए, समाजवादी पार्टी ऐसी किसी बात का समर्थन नहीं करती है. समाजवादी पार्टी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर पे बात करना चाहती है. किसी भी स्टेट की जिम्मेदारी है. आए थे तो बांग्लादेशियों को राइट टाइम करने, अब ये तो हिंदुओं का ही इनकाउंटर होने लगा और वो रेपिस्ट भी बनने लगे. ये इसका जवाब कौन देगा? इसकी जवाबदेही कौन तय करेगा? मुख्यमंत्री जी की जवाबदेही शून्य है. एक 11 साल की बच्ची का रेप हो जाएगा और मुख्यमंत्री जी ऑर्डर करके उसको मरवा देंगे, बस काम खत्म, टाटा फिश. दिस इज नॉट सोल्यूशन. मिस्टर मुख्यमंत्री पश्चिम बंगाल, ये बात आप याद रखिएगा. ये एक घटना नहीं होगी इस तरह. जो रिएक्शन आप एक महिला सांसद के खिलाफ आपके कार्यकर्ता किस तरह का प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं, ये तो शर्मनाक था ना, शर्मनाक था. तो जाहिर सी बात है उसका नाम भी आप ही की पार्टी से जुड़ा है. आप जो कर रहे हो ये मॉडल नहीं है, ये सोल्यूशन नहीं है. सोल्यूशन न्यायपालिका है, कठोरतम सजा है, मौत की सजा है. लेकिन बीजेपी जो कर रही है वो पूरे देश को बर्बाद करना चाहती है.